Hello friends, Giggles and Growth brings to you stories filled with lots of fun. Today's story is about the enchanted jungle. Like, subscribe and share for more such stories. A lush, green kingdom with a grand castle at its center, surrounded by rolling hills and blooming flowers creating a very beautiful scenic view. The king and queen stand proudly on the balcony of the castle, dressed in royal blue and lavender attire basking on the scenic view with pleasure. Prince Aaron and Princess Lyra stand beside them, wearing silver and blue outfits, their faces filled with determination. They look very elegant in their attire. Citizens in the background are seen going about their daily lives, adding vibrancy to the scene. Some walking, some talking, some are buying and some selling. A dense, dark jungle with towering trees, their twisted branches creating a foreboding canopy. A thick fog creeps through the jungle, adding an eerie atmosphere. The king with his council of ministers seriously discussing the dense fog and about the demon rising from its slumber, they decide to send the prince to the jungle. The king advises on a serious note to Prince Aaron and Princess Lyra to go to the jungle and fight the demon on behalf of the kingdom to save it from the demon's menace. Prince Aaron, Princess Lyra, and Rusty the puppy stand at the entrance of the deep jungle filled with thick fog, ready to embark on their journey. A mysterious hermit, cloaked in tattered robes, appears from the shadows of the jungle. He walks slowly and has a very serious face, but he is quite composed. The hermit with wise eyes and a wooden staff warns the Prince Aaron and Princess Lyra of the perils ahead. He advises to use compassion in dealing with the demon. Prince Aaron and Princess Lyra listen intently to the hermit, their expressions a mix of concern and resolve. They decide to deal with the demon compassionately. The jungle around Aaron and Princess Lyra, Rusty the puppy, becomes darker and more foreboding as the demon approaches from behind without their knowledge. Upon realizing the demon's presence, Prince Aaron stands firmly, sword drawn, ready to protect his sister Princess Lyra and Rusty the puppy from the demon. Princess Lyra holds a glowing crystal forward to the demon's chest, its light contrasting with the demon's fiery glow and overpowering the demon. Prince Aaron watches in awe as the demon's form begins to change, realizing the power of compassion. He starts to see the man captured in the demon's body. The demon transforms into a young man, his features now gentle and kind. Standing beside the prince and princess, he smiles relieved and happy. The jungle clears, the fog lifts, and sunlight shines through the trees, symbolizing a new beginning. Everything slowly returning back to normalcy. Prince Aaron, Princess Lyra, and Rusty return to the kingdom, with the young man beside them. All of them are happy. The king and queen await their kids to welcome them with open arms, their faces beaming with pride and joy. We will keep bringing such wonderful stories. Like, subscribe and share. Your support is of utmost importance to us.